Hello!
And welcome back to Keeping Up with Tinky!
Just kidding. Welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. We've actually got a very exciting video here today. We actually just received a Disney Dropbox. Wow! You might be asking, what is a Disney Dropbox? And a lot of people don't know, unless you're like, you know, very active in Disney Facebook groups where a lot of people have been seeing them and talking about them. They've kind of been a hot topic at the moment. But so a Disney Dropbox, they get sent out to, so no one is quite sure exactly how they choose who to send them out to. I personally think it's just like a random kind of lotto system where they pick people and decide to send, you know, an email for any active subscribers of Disney Plus. So typically you'll get these emails from Disney Plus and it'll say something like, we got you a little something. And a lot of people probably just junk them or throw them away and don't really know what they are. I'll actually throw in a screenshot of kind of what my email looked like right over here so you can see it and be on the lookout for one as well. There's kind of been some debate on whether it's for like, you know, monthly subscribers, just Disney Plus bundle subscribers. A lot of people think it's only yearly subscriptions. That's what, for some reason, the information that gets passed around everywhere, like misinformation, is that it's only for yearly subscribers. But I'm definitely a monthly subscriber. I'm just a monthly subscriber of the bundle, so I have the Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN bundle, and I did get sent the email for the Disney Dropbox. So when you get sent the email too, I'll go ahead and show it in here. It offers you options. I got to choose between like an animated classics option, a adventure option, or a mystery option. So I asked Jamie what I should go with. I think Jamie suggested the animated ones, but I kind of just wanted to mix it up, toss it up, leave it to chance. So I went with the mystery one. I hope it wasn't a bad choice, but I thought it'd be fun for the video too because I really have absolutely no idea what's gonna be in this Dropbox. We have not opened it yet. It's totally sealed. It just came in the mail. They're actually really cool boxes too. This little, like, it didn't look like that. That's where like the shipping labels were and I ripped them off, but it's a really cool, like, unique special box. It comes from like a special just Disney drop fulfillment facility too, so I don't know like what the deal with these boxes is or why they started or when, but they never like officially announced anything. People just kind of caught on to getting them and seeing the emails and kind of just passed around through word of mouth, and now people know to look for them. So finally got one and we're gonna open it and who knows what's gonna be in there, so let's do it. Looks like there's some like tape on the bottom, so basically once we unseal this it should easily open up. Okay, here we go. So you guys are getting to see this at the exact same time. I'm a little bit nervous.
Dun dun dun! 5, 4, 3, 2... But wait, close your eyes. It has to be a surprise.
Oh.
Wait, no, I'll lift it up. I'll lift it up.
Oh wait, okay, so you can see here.
Eyes.
I thought this was gonna be the surprise, but it just has Disney Plus. Play it, use it, stream it. It all starts inside. We hope you love this and your special gift.
Close your eyes.
Oh, it's a Mickey one. Okay, so we got the Mickey box. Wow. So let's I can show it a little bit again, and then let's take a look at all the individual items. It's a pretty cool one. I'm happy with Mickey. There were some like really cool ones that we kind of wanted that we've seen other people get. Like there was a Little Mermaid one that Jamie really wanted. I've seen some other people get this Lion King one that's so cool. But there were some others that I didn't want as much, like a Spider-Man one. So I'm pretty happy with Mickey. This one's pretty cool. So let's take a look at some of the items. So the first thing I see here, we got a cookie cutter, Mickey shaped cookie cutter. That'll be nice for making cookies. We've got a hat, a nice Mickey hat. That's pretty cool. Look at this. It's a Disney Drop exclusive Walt Disney Archives curated image and fun facts printed on acrylic. So it is like, it's an image and then there's this little stand here and it's actually like, so it feels kind of like glass, plasticky acrylic, and it's an image of, it's kind of hard to see through the paper here, but it's like an old sketch of Mickey Mouse with a hippopotamus mouth there. Really cool. So that's an exclusive for the Disney Dropbox. You can only get it through this box. So that's really cool, actually. I like that a lot. Ooh, I really like this. Look, a Mickey Mouse. It's like a tray, a serving tray. Nice plastic Mickey Mouse serving tray. I really like that. A little Mickey Mouse notepad, spiral notebook shaped like Mickey Mouse. Cool. Oh, what is this? This is really funny. Look, we have recipe cards from the Disney Eats book. You can see it down there in the corner. We actually just saw this in box lunch yesterday. So this is a bacon and egg mouse witch recipe. Oh, this is really cool. It's like a stand-up, really thick, cool postcard photo kind of thing. It's one of those moving images. It's hard to see through the camera, but it's one of those images where when you flip it up and down and tilt it, it moves and changes kind of how it looks. So it's like Mickey sitting on a water fountain and he kind of goes up and down when you move it. The camera doesn't really show it. And then this is pretty cool too. We have a Disney Drop exclusive Mickey Mouse collectible pin. So it comes with a certificate of authenticity too for the pin, only from the Disney Drop box. So it says Disney Drop hereby certifies that this collectible pin is part of a limited series. It's a 1.5-inch pin commissioned and designed exclusively for Disney Drop. So that's pretty cool. It's got a Mickey backing on the pin too. I like that. This is really fun. Oh, these look really yummy. It's a pack of Mickey suckers. So they're Mickey lollipops. These are like, you'd find these in like resort gift shops or around Disney World too. It's fun. It's a little bouquet of Mickey suckers. We got a Mickey bag clip so we can keep our chips fresh with a little Mickey clip. And then wow, what is this? The last item in here? A Mickey Mouse light box? I truly do not know what this is, so we're about to do a little bit of investigation. Look, I think
it's a dry erase board.
It's a light up dry erase board? Oh.
I think so.
Yeah, I think Jamie might be right, but I don't know, so.
It's like a thought bubble, and those are markers.
Let me see if they're markers. So we're not quite sure yet, so it says it's a Mickey Mouse light box, and it looks like a quote bubble. There's batteries, but there's also some type of cord in here. Let me see. There's no like instructions anywhere on what this is or what it's supposed to do. But then there are also, if you can see here, it came with a sticker book. So I don't know where you're supposed to put the stickers. Let's see. Oh, there are markers. Jamie was right. So in this little thing here, there are dry erase markers and the cable cord, but it also has batteries, so I'm a little confused. So on the back, I think I understand it a little bit better. It says that you can use 6 AA batteries or the USB adapter. So I'm gonna leave the batteries in their little case right now. I'm gonna just try plugging this in and we'll see if it lights up. Whoa, that's kind of cool. We had a ring light on for lighting, but I turned it off really quick to show kind of more how this lights up. Look at that. So this is the Mickey Mouse light box that we got. That's really cool, actually.
There's a marker.
Jamie's gonna try it. So we got the light box. So I guess you could put like stickers on it, and then when you light up the light box, the stickers would show through, but I don't really want to put stickers on it. I'd rather just keep it as like a cool dry erase surface. It doesn't show up on the camera. Let's see if we can get it to... Oh, there it is. Look, you can kind of see it, but it's so bright, but Jamie wrote Disney. That looks so cool. This thing's actually kind of fun. I really like this Mickey Mouse light box. And then on the back, you can kind of see, it's a little bit hard to see, but there's 2 hook holes up here too, so you could like hang this on the wall and it's almost like a bar sign or something, or like a really cool room light. Like we could put this up and it could say like Jamie and Ari's, or we could write like Keeping Up in Disney. Like, can you imagine how cool would this be? We could hang this up somewhere and we could have like our drink of the day that we want to try, or like our drink of the week to try at Disney. We want to try the mango frozen margarita at Epcot, or you know, we could switch it up, and if we see something cool in a video, we could throw it on our light board, illuminate it, show it off. It's really fun, actually. I kind of like this light box. I'm pretty happy with this. It's really unique, just kind of fun. I'm actually gonna totally save this, and we'll definitely use it in the future. Make a really cool space. Look, it's Tinkerbell. How cool. This is so much fun. I actually really like this thing. This is a great addition to the box. Great little last thing to put in there. And there are a couple different colors. So it did come with the markers, the batteries, and everything. So it's kind of cool too that you can do the USB to light it up, or use batteries too for if you don't have a plug close or you wanted to take it somewhere and use it and put it on display. So let's just take a look at everything from the Dropbox kind of laid out together here now. So we've got, of course, the hat. It does have some ears on it. Mickey winking. It's pretty cool. Even just the box for the Disney Dropbox is pretty cool. It's a unique box. We got the Mickey card there that kind of moves. the bacon and egg mouse witch recipe, that really cool Mickey light box that we love, the pen, the cookie cutter, the bag clip, the little spiral notebook, the lollipops, that super cool art book that's a Disney Drop exclusive, the art printed on the acrylic, and of course, that little serving tray down there in the bottom. So it's a pretty nice box overall. Really great for a Mickey fan. And I am a Mickey fan, so I like this. And I have seen other people who have gotten these drop boxes get a similar Mickey box, and I think theirs actually might have had more stuff or different stuff, which obviously I'm not complaining, it's a free box, which is awesome in any case, but just wanted to note that other people I did see got some like backpacks and other Mickey items, and I got some different stuff where it looks like less stuff, but I'm not sure if other people got the light box, and I'm really happy with the light box. Like me and Jamie really like that dry erase board, so it's really cool, really fun box overall. Just taking one last look at the Disney Drop box. So we're gonna seal Mickey away. It's a really, really cool box. Again, kind of like I said, I don't know, it's just very unique. The Disney Drop box for Disney Plus subscribers only. We hope you love and enjoy this special gift. So that's really fun too, just a cool little thing they do for subs. I hope you enjoyed getting to see the Disney Drop box. And again, these are totally free. They say that they can be up to $150 worth of merch. I was very happy with the Mickey box. I thought it was a super cool one. I liked a lot of the stuff in there. Me and Jamie will have a lot of fun with that stuff, and you know, it's just really cool for any Disney fan, any Disney collector, especially that cool limited edition stuff that you can only get through the drop boxes. So hopefully we'll get another in the future. Let us know in the comments which item was your favorite, what you'd want to get from a Disney drop box, or if you've ever gotten one. Also, make sure to check your emails and watch them for those emails. I'll throw the photo again right here of just kind of what that header looked like, just so you don't miss it in the future, and you can go ahead and claim your Disney Drop box and get to do your own kind of fun merch unboxing. So if you did like this video and getting to check out the Dropbox, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and hit that bell button so you can be notified anytime we post new videos. And as always, thanks for keeping up in Disney, and we will see you real soon. Bye.